I'm starting to stretch these out just to create some kind of slope. From the start, you can see that there is a click already on here, so just make sure that the clicks have been turned off. Just going to mute all of them just to be sure. So just from those slight changes, there's already a nice difference. We have this kind of triangle shape, and that's because of this amp envelope, which is changing the volume of the kick. So this is by no means the way it's going to stay, but no, more or less the way I want it to be. And yeah, let's just extend the length a little bit. So here I've just taken the initial click down a little bit by moving it forward. I don't want that harsh of a snap on the high end. Okay, now we can look at our pitch. So let's just for now assume we're going to make this track in G sharp. I'm going to move those down one onto each octave. I'll just take off this EQ gain and distortion. So the first, the key of the first click, I'm not really too worried about keeping it in the same key. It's just such a high frequency. It's not really audible. For me, at least, if it's in the correct key. It's more about finding a nice tone for the click. Okay, that's not sounding too bad. One thing I do find confusing about kick 2, to be honest, is actually knowing how long it is. I know it has the milliseconds and everything, and it has these grids, but it's normally not until I export it or I look at it on an oscilloscope that I can actually tell the length. Yeah, I could probably spend some more time with kick 2, but as I said, I have a nice preset which I'm developed, and yeah, I'm just trying to replicate that more or less. Okay, so let's look at this kick on an oscilloscope. Using the oscilloscope here by Boom Shankar Machines, and